Traveling is always good. It takes you away from the daily routine. But it's even better when you travel to spend a quality family time. This year we reunited in my daughter's house. We have a lot of good times together. We open a lot of presents, make cookies, but we also have a very good dinner for Christmas night. And we roast a whole pig. In Spanish, it's Lechon Asado. Make it for Christmas, New Year, or any other occasion that you feel like to eat roast pork. In today's video, you will see step by step how we did it. And the first step is to make a marinade. And these are all the ingredients that you will need. Mojo criollo 20 ounces, this is a marinade. Sour orange, naranja agria 20 ounces. Garlic 10 to 15 cloves. Half cup of cumin powder. Orange pepper 5 to 6 tablespoons. Black pepper half cup. Salt half cup. All the measurements that I just mentioned to you are all to your taste. You can add more or less of any of the ingredients. I just want you to have an idea of the marinade that I prepare for a 50-pound pig. And we like our pig to have a delicious flavor. So we add a lot of the marinade on any single muscle of the pig. We didn't marinate the skin. We just apply some salt with vinegar, and that way you can have a very crispy skin at the end. Okay, this is kind of gross, but I have to show you that the stick that we're going to use, introduce it from the back all the way and will come out through the mouth. You can use wood or metal. This one is kind of big. It was a little challenging, but we use it and we have good results. We have a good support. And now we are closing the pig. That way we can keep all the flavor inside, and it's also for support. This pig was frozen when we got it. We thawed it out for about a day and a half, and it got good. The skin is very dry, probably too dry. I think I'm a little afraid that it will break. Let's see. It's gonna be Here I'm applying the vinegar with the salt through the whole skin. We left it marinated for a few hours from morning to about 2 p.m. when we started the process. It took us 4 hours for the pig to be ready. We are doing everything like old school today. So they are using this blue rope just to place the pig down or up, depending how it looks and how the fire is. That way the skin or the pork don't get burned. This process of roasting a whole pig using the old school, it looked kind of too much work, and also probably for you it looked long. But for us it's very enjoyable, especially when it's more than one person. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 men. So we rotate and everybody helps to turn the pig. That is another point. It's very important that the pig, you rotate it very slow. We have a lot of fun doing it. We were listening to good music, have a lot of good conversations, and the kids were playing outside, the dogs, so it was very fun doing this process. Okay, now resuming. We bought a 50-pound pig frozen. We thawed it out for 1.5 days, and then we washed it very well. We marinate with that flavorful marinade that I showed you before, and then we roast it for 4 hours on low heat, and we wait for the process to be complete. And that's it, guys. See you at the end of the video. And finally, the Lechon Asado, the roast pork is here and it's ready to be eaten.
It's cooked.
Hey.
Eat some.
So yummy.
You want to try skin?
That is the skin.
I'll try myself.
So good. Okay, let me prepare my plates. I will show you, but sorry for the images because I have the phone in my hands. I mash green plantain with malanga, very smooth, and I make a sauce with olive oil, onion, garlic, and red bell pepper, and salt. I make the traditional Cuban con green, that is the rice with beans. I have my recipe here in my YouTube channel, so go back. I'm inviting you to look up this recipe. You will love that rice. Okay guys, this is the end of today's recipe. I hope that you enjoy this whole process with us. And if you are visiting me today, thank you for being here. But don't go yet. Please subscribe to my channel. We are going to have some fun together. Here we cook, decorate, and also gardening. So remember, turn on the notifications so that way you don't going to miss any of my coming up video. And the following day, somebody came to our house last night. I'm wondering who was that. Bye-bye, guys, and Happy New Year. Hello, him. Oh, he got the milk. Come over here. Now you know.
Look at all of his milk. He put the milk. Yeah.
Look at this.
It looks like a dinosaur claw. Oh my god. Wow.
It's a big footprint. Look how he ate all the cookies.
Oh, we gave him how many? 5 cookies?
Yeah.
Good cooker.
Mira, mira esto, mira. ¿Tú sabes qué es? ¿Sabes qué es?
¿Qué es lo que es eso?
Ven y mira. Ven, 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 ven.
Ay, Dios mío.
Mira esto.
Un mes.
Mira esto.
Una huella.
Santa Claus. And look at the cookies.
Damn, Santa got some big foot.
Oh my God.
He has a big fat belly.
He
Let's stop.
left it behind.
Wait, so which one is my stocking?
This one right here.
Oh, that one?
Quite long.
Wait, was this in my stocking?
Yeah.
No! No!
Why?
No!
Oh my God, Santa is.
Please let me use it now.
I mean,
Wow. It's okay.
What is that,
Another-
chocolate?
Well, it says crisp Kringle, but I don't think it's chocolate.
Oh,
oh
I
yeah.
really want to open this.
okay.
He knows it. He knows I love coloring.
Let me see. Oh my God, yeah. He
And
knows everything.
This is a bit funny, but okay. I'll take it. Wow, he bought. Ooh, this is pretty cool. So
I
he
like
got like a crab and then
That's
a turtle. Well, the
yeah, but
turtle's
it's
black.
like grow 600 times. So when you take a bath,
He put a lot of stuff in here.
I know.
Oh,
candy,
He has
more
a.
heads, more heads.
work.
Candy canes, let's go.
Oh, he didn't have any yet.
No, I got one. The teacher got me one. And they're all rainbow. And then, what's this? slime. Cool, cool.
That's a lot.
Santa is so cool.
I just want to open this. I thought we were going to Will you check out the other thing?
Yeah.
Oh, Coco.
Dude.
What is it?
What is that?
Watch.
No?
You sure?
Wait, no, it's like a watch but a speaker.
Oh.
It looks like it's a wireless speaker.
Oh.
That is sick.